Hey guys, welcome to ASC Technical. Are you tired of programs automatically launching and slowing down your PC every time you start up Windows? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you a powerful way to manage and disable these startup apps, which will help you to optimize your computer's performance. So let's get started. First, click the Start button or press Windows plus S. Type Task Scheduler and select it from the search results. Once Task Scheduler opens, you will see a library of tasks. This is where you can manage what happens automatically on your PC. Now look at the left panel. Here, expand the Task Scheduler library to see all the scheduled tasks. These tasks could be related to third-party apps or Windows services. You can click on each folder to explore different tasks that might be set to run at startup. If you see folders like Microsoft, be cautious when making changes. Some tasks are essential for your system to function properly. To disable a startup task, click on the task you suspect is causing performance issues. Check the Triggers tab below to see if it runs at logon or at startup. If it does, right-click the task and select Disable. Make sure the task isn't critical for your system. Only disable third-party or unnecessary tasks. If you are sure you don't need a task, you can delete it. Right-click the task and choose Delete. But remember, this action is permanent. Only delete tasks if you know are safe to remove. However, if you want to add a program to run at startup, here's how. Click Create Task on the right side. In the General tab, give your task a name and choose Security Options. In the Triggers tab, set it to run at startup or at logon. Go to the Actions tab and select the program or script you want to launch. Configure any other settings as needed and click OK. This way you can automate useful tasks while still keeping control of your startup items. And there you have it. This method gives you more control over what happens when your PC boots, making your system faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment below if you have any question or need more guidance. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tech tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.